Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change up this clear front panel view a little bit. This can be done with any front or side panel mod to make it look like this with the one-way mirror film. So first we need to wipe down the side panel, get rid of all the fingerprints. Okay, let's go to the other side. What I use to clean it with is this right here. It's pretty good. It cleans your computer screen and any glass. So right here is a two-way mirror film. I'm gonna apply this to the front panel. So what you do is you measure it. This is gonna be slightly bigger than this, so it's fine. So you're gonna give it extra room. So right there. So I'm gonna give it an inch. I'm gonna give it an inch over here. I'm gonna cut it now. Your cut doesn't have to be 100%. As long as you give it enough room to trim the pieces sooner or later. There we go. So next step to the process is going to open event 1, 2, 3. So next step, 1, 2, 3. So next step to the process is going to fill out the film that's protecting the adhesive side. I'm gonna spray with water, or same thing. This is actually almost the same. Spray it. Spray it. Be generous with the water spray. Okay, once that spray, okay, you're gonna flip it over and apply it onto the screen. See how it's not rolling up again anymore because the water's on? So here's the important part. You're gonna squeeze all the water. So how do you do that? I'm using this IHOP gift card. It's already used already, so I don't need it anymore. Spray some more water on top of it. Be generous, don't be afraid. If you have a squeegee, it's better, but if you don't really need it, you're gonna squeegee the water out, like so. Once this is done, it's gonna maybe take 24 hours to cure. Once 24 hours is done, it's gonna be stuck to your screen. Once that's done, just get a razor blade or a X-Acto knife, whichever you have, and trim the corners off. Next, what you can do is you're gonna cut out the hose that you have in here. Just find where the hose at. Put a razor blade in, or is that the knife? Just cut the hole out. And there you go, that's the finished product. It's a one-way mirror screen. If it's brighter inside, then you can see it. But if it's bright outside, then you cannot see it. And this is with the light off. Pretty neat, huh? I like it. I might keep this for a while.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the alarm button. Thank you.